Neem is one of the best things you can do if you have acne and you're trying to get rid of acne. Welcome back, guys. I trust you're doing very great, you're doing very well. These are neem leaves. Look at neem leaves up close. We see neem powder, but just in case you don't have neem powder around you, I have neem leaves and I'm going to be transforming them into powder, guys. So just stick around, don't go anywhere. If you always have like very stubborn acne, applying neem powder on your face mixed with like honey or aloe vera gel is going to help you to get rid of it. You just have to be consistent. I was so excited when I came across this neem leaves because I usually get the neem powder, but for this sake of this video, I'm going to be transforming these fresh leaves into the neem powder that I can now start applying on my face. So I'm just going to take you through the process. So once you have the neem leaves like this, let me quickly point it out that what you can do is to ask around in African stores or Asian stores, basically where they sell herbs, plants, seeds, that if they have fresh stuff that you need neem, N-E-E-M, N-E-E-M, neem. It's very popular in South Asia. It's popular around the world. So guys, you can ask for it everywhere. So just make sure you go to the place where you feel they sell this kind of stuff and you will get it as well. I got it here from West Africa. You also have to ask for it in the market. It's not something that you just readily find on the streets. So I have to ask for those from those that sell herbs, that sell plants, seeds, and so on like that. So but I'm so excited. I'm going to be transforming this into powder, and the first thing I'm going to be doing is to wash my leaves very well. Of course, it might have some dirt on them and some like grime, debris and all that. I would like to get rid of it ASAP before I do the next step. So the next step is to put it on my oven tray. I'm going to be drying it out in the oven. I'll just try to separate it as much as I can, like so. If you are somewhere that it gets very sunny, you can put it out in the sun. But if not, you can also dry it out in the oven. So I'm going to be propping it in the oven I'll be checking it every now and then so that it doesn't turn to coal. So I'll just put it in the oven for 10 minutes, check how it behaves, and just be changing it at each point like that. So guys, my neem leaves are very dry now. Don't mind the fact that it is smaller. I lost a little bit of it and you can see it's very crisp at this point. So what I did was I removed the stem. When I showed you earlier on, everything was just all together, but I tried to dehydrate it. I removed the stem and I dried it in the oven. Like I said, you can either dry it in the oven, or if where you are has a lot of sunlight, you can dry it like over 24 to 48 hours. And now I'm just going to put it in my dry mill so that I can turn it to powder. Guys, it's all done now. I have my powdered neem, so I'll just go ahead now to pour it into my container. So when you have this powdered neem like this, it will be easy for you to use it on your face. I'll show you how I usually do this. I usually mix it with some water, just like this. It's okay. You leave it as a mask to detox your face, or you can even mix it with like yogurt. You can still mix it with turmeric. You can mix it with some honey, any kind of like agents that can form a mask on your face. So sometimes just the way it is, it's okay for me. But if I want to go a step further, I mix it with some other ingredients. I leave it for like 30 minutes and I wash it off my face. Neem is very great for controlling acne. It's one of the best products, one of the best things, organic products you can use to control acne, blemishes on your face. So this is our neem powder. Everything, don't worry, I've done it in several batches. So this is one of the batches I have. But if you can just lay your hands on the neem leaves, dehydrate it, then you wait for it to get very dry, then you mill it, turn it into powder, save it in a container or any other vessel of your choice, mix with water to form a mask on your face. Even if you don't mix with water, you can mix with honey, you can mix with yogurt, you can mix with milk. And by the time you do this consistently, goodness guys, your face will be so free of blemishes, acne, pimples, zits, everything like that. So look out for neem leaves and just process it this way yourself. You'll be saving tons of money, trust me. Neem is usually like contained in so many skincare products out there. Many people don't even know that it is in there, but it is there. And this is one way of you making it in a very healthy way from the comfort of your home. So guys, if this video was helpful to you in any way, kindly thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Kindly share, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do subscribe to my channel for many more DIY tips, tricks, how to take care of your health and skincare. I'll see you in subsequent videos. Stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye.